You say you in love, no, you don't even know. I'm just happy that I gave you some.
See all the snow, y'all? I'm gonna show y'all another view.
Goals right there. Goals right there. Let's see y'all. Look at them.
Like, there's snow outside, y'all. It's freezing. I can't do it. So yeah, y'all, we're not used to that in Charlotte at all. So pretty excited about the snow. But today we're snowed in, so we're chilling. I'm gonna make spaghetti tonight for dinner. Chloe's watching the Berenstain Bears. Say hey, girl. You don't even know how cold it is outside. Chloe, say hey to the vlog. Y'all, she just wearing a little nightgown right now. Got her little feet crossed. And y'all, she been playing with this toy she got for Christmas.
Not even close.
So yeah, y'all, I just wanted to start this off. I'm definitely gonna come back to you guys once we start doing more today. Most likely I'll be coming back once I start cooking. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We're just gonna be cleaning around here, so I'll see you guys once I start cooking or when we start actually doing something today.
2 hours later.
Hey guys, so I got all bundled up, got layers on. Chloe got layers on, but I'm getting ready to put her snowsuit on her. Then we're about to go outside, take some pictures. And I'm gonna show y'all Bambi's reaction to the snow and Chloe's reaction. It's the first time they're seeing snow. Let's say hey to the vlog. Hold the camera, baby. Ooh. Hold the camera, baby. Don't drop the phone. Say hey. Y'all, we're about to see Bambi and Chloe's reaction. Snowing. Dang. Chloe.
I'm trying to give her some.
Bambi.
Smile on that Bambi now. She recognized Bambi now.
It's snowing.
Yeah. These mans doing burnouts up here. Yeah, man, they need to get in the house. They having, now look, they having fun in the snow.
Y'all look so cute. Look at this. Baby is snowing. Y'all, there's cars stuck right there. Oh shoot! Oh, sweetie!
Sweetie, you better not make me fall, bro.
Yeah, don't fall down that hill.
Go ahead. It's that cushion, sweetie.
Y'all, Chloe not feeling it no more. Do it again.
Sweetie. 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 Hey.
Y'all, Jabez got Chloe. Turn around. Let me see her. Bring her over here. Look at the twins. Hey, baby. Chloe, you liking the snow? Baby!
1 hour later.
Hey guys, I'm back. I wanted to go ahead and close out this weekend's vlog. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys comment and subscribe and join the mob, and also turn those post notifications on so you never miss out on an upload from us. And yeah guys, pretty much it for this video. I had a good time in the snow. I'm pretty sure Chloe, I don't know if Chloe will remember, but Bambi will remember this, the experience we got to have. I'm gonna show you guys what the snow is looking like now. It's pretty much melted, but because the sun's back out. Yeah, so it's pretty much melting. The streets are getting clear, so yeah. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it for this video. So stay tuned for the moving vlog coming up very soon. And yeah, y'all, I'll see y'all in my next video.